Hello guys! So, welcome back to my channel, Jimbans TV. For today's video guys, ituturo ko guys kung paano tayo mag-transfer ng money from GCash to Maribank. Okay? So guys, tuturuan ko guys kung paano. So, keep on watching guys. So, first things is, click lang natin guys itong transfer. And then, click lang natin itong local. Okay? Sa local guys, hanapin lang natin sa search bar yung Mari. Okay? Okay, search lang natin yung Mari and then may lalabas na Maribank. Okay, sa Maribank guys, enter lang natin guys yung amount na gusto nyo i-transfer, account name ng Maribank account niyo, account number na, okay, and then yung recipient is optional. Okay, yung email address niyo. Okay? So, guys, is enter ko lang is 100 pesos. Yan, which is optional lang. Okay? Via InstaPay. So, meron din siyang transaction fee na 10 pesos. Okay? So, kung okay na lahat, guys, and then, click nyo lang guys tong pay. Okay? Click ko lang guys yung pay. At magkaano lang OTP. Okay. And then click nyo lang guys yung submit. Okay. Nandito guys yung pinaka-receipt. Okay. And then after nyan, double check lang natin dito sa aking Maribank account. Okay. So ngayon, nadagdagan siya ng 100 pesos, which is meron na akong available balance na 2,100.14 pesos. Okay? So yun lang guys kung paano tayo mag-transfer ng money from GCash to Maribank. Okay? If you have a questions guys, please let me know. Gustuhan nyo tong video ito, please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and click all notification bell button para updated kayo guys sa mga vlogs ko. Thank you and God bless. Bye bye.